Hey guys, how's it going? Recently the second trailer for Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles came out, and it's kind of cool. In a way, it's kind of underwhelming. I don't totally want to say that, but it's pretty much like the first trailer with some stuff added to it. Like, the first half of the trailer is pretty much it's just like all the stuff from the first trailer with maybe like a couple added sounds. But the second half, it shows us like some pretty cool stuff. First of all, it shows us all the four turtles. It shows us Raphael and Donatello now, which I think Donatello, the guy like the purple band thing, yeah. It shows them still no talking for Megan Fox, which that's interesting, but whatever. But anyways, one thing though that did really get my attention is that if you watch the trailer, go to 106, or actually go to 105, and it'll show you, it's really short, but it'll show you, okay, there's like this hole in the wall thing, and Shredder obviously is walking through it, and I personally think, from how I think that Shredder is a mech suit, and that would actually make sense because William Fichtner, I'll say, he's really kind of skinny. Like, the turtles are huge. Like, how could he take them on in a Shredder suit? Like, the turtles are huge. Like, it shows them when they like hit the ground. It's just like they just like crack the ground kind of because they're huge. And how could William Fichtner like take them on? Maybe I think the Shredder's gotta be Mexu, and that would make a ton of sense. Now, why I think that is that when it shows it walking through, it's obvious it's Shredder because it's got all these like spikes in the helmet, but it's really walking like a robot, like it's like mm, or it's not like making the whole sound and everything. But I think that it is a Mexu, and that would actually be cool. Some people probably wouldn't be a fan of that, but I think that would be really cool. I would actually love to see a mech suit Shredder. And I think it would totally make sense because, yeah, William Fichtner, he's a skinny guy. Like, I was thinking how they're going to do him as Shredder or something. Like, that doesn't make sense. But if he was a mech suit, that would be cool. So anyways, go watch the trailer if you haven't seen it yet. It said on IMDb they put it out. You could go watch it there. It's probably on YouTube somewhere. But tell me what you think. What do you think if Shredder was a mech suit? I think it would be so cool. That's just me. I'm totally into like big robots. Like I love that stuff. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Leave your comments below. See you later.